guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about my Twilly collection. So yeah, let's get into the video. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about luxury handbags, shoes and fashion. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today we are going to talk about my Twilly collection, and for that reason I have brought out some eye candy for you guys. So this is my Birkin 30 in Beton with gold hardware, which I scored in Paris of all places. I was so lucky to get a leather appointment on my last day in Paris. And the other one is my first Birkin, and this is my Birkin 30 in gold with gold hardware and in Togo leather. The other one is also in Togo leather. And now we are going to talk about Twillys. I have quite a few of them. I don't know why I have a few of them, because I am not that Twilly kind of person. I normally wear my bags just as they are, but after I got the one in Beton, I felt that I needed some Twillys to protect it. So that one I use it mostly with Twillys, but my gold one I kinda don't care that much anymore about wearing my Twillys on it, even though I should care about it. So yeah, I'm going to start with the first one and my favorite one from my Twilly collection. And I bought actually this with my gold one in mind. And so I bought the Twilly half a year before I got the actual bag. But my first Twilly that I bought was this Ex Libris Twilly in caramel, white and beige kind of color. And when I first saw it, I thought that this one would look so good on a gold Birkin. Here is what it looks like. My only regrets here is that I didn't buy two of those, because I really wanted a set, and so I should have done that, and now I am on a hunt for a new one like this on the pre-loved market. So I'm hoping that I will get one soon, because I feel that this one is the nicest one for my Birkin in gold. I think the colors are very me, because I really like neutrals. I don't like bright colors. Another Twilly that I did really want was the tattoo Twilly, which were in black and in that caramel color like this one. I think it is some seasons old, and so by the time I got into Hermès they didn't produce it anymore. So I'm also on a hunt for that specific Twilly. Even though I don't like Twillys, I don't know what's happening with me. But here you can see the design. It is very simple. You have the horse carriage here. I really love it, and it is my favorite Twilly that I have in my collection. And number 2 is actually the Twilly that I bought when I bought this gold Birkin. And it is also the Ex Libris Twilly, but this one is in blue with some kind of goldish details. And it also has some darker blue here. The same details with the horse carriage. I really love it, and I think it is very pretty, and I think it looks very pretty with my Birkin. I don't use this one as often as my other Twillys. That's because I don't wear blue that much, but I really enjoy having this one in my collection, because then I have a variety that I can choose from. That was my second Twilly. I kind of like it, but I don't use it as much. And now we are moving on to the third Twilly that I have in my collection. This one isn't the Ex Libris one, but this one is the Sous Le Charme d'Opfri, I think it is pronounced. But yeah, this one also has this kind of beige-ish colors. But this one is a little bit more colors than I normally go for, because you have the orange-ish tones. But I think this one looks very good with my Birkin 30. And actually I used to pair these two together, and I think it looks good, but it isn't the perfect combination that I'm searching for. But I kind of like it. I used these two Twillys a lot when I was in Paris, because when I'm out and about for a longer time I really like to have my Twillys on, especially while shopping, because then your hands can get dirty and in Paris it was very warm, so then you will normally sweat on your hands. So to protect the bag I used Twillys, even though I like it better without. So then I used these two together. This one has a very different design. Personally, I don't like the design that much because it is too much happening for me. But when you are tying it, it won't show that much. Here you can see you have a bear, you have birds, you have horses, trees, everything like that. But I kind of like the colors, so therefore I went for it. I don't think it looks as good on my Birkin in Beton because the Beton color is a little bit difficult to style with other colors because color is very special, and I don't want any Twillys on it that makes the color a little bit colder, because I really love the creamy and the white and warm tone about this color, so therefore I don't use any colors that will make the Beton color look a little bit colder. So that was that Twilly, very beautiful, and I also really love that it has this blue. I think it looks very good with the gold Birkin. That was the third Twilly that I have. The fourth Twilly that I bought was this one. This is in the same design, and this is also the Souche La Charme Diophrée design with bears and deers, horses and everything. And I think this is quite wild to be me because I don't have any clothes or scarves or anything in my wardrobe that's red. I normally don't like red, but I think it looks very good on both my bags. This one brings out the creaminess and the warmness in the Beton color, which I really love. And it also has that caramel and beige color that I really love, and also some purple on the berries. And here you can see it on my Birkin in gold. I think this is a very good combination, and another good combination are these two together, the Ex Libris and this one, but not the dream combination again. That was my fourth Twilly. It isn't my dream Twilly, but I really like the colors. And over to the fifth Twilly, and here is the Surmont Nuage, I think it is called, also with the caramel color, white and a little bit blue and some pink here as well. This one I saw it for the first time in Copenhagen, but I wasn't sure about it because I didn't like the details on it. I think it was too childish for me because there are so many things that are happening here. You have a giraffe there, you have a rabbit there, and there are just so many things that happens on it. But the main reason why I didn't like it is because this specific shoe, I don't think it is cool at all. But then I took these two together, and they are so far the most perfect match that I have in my collection because the colors are mainly the same. So in this case I will put this one on the back handle and this one in the front, and then they will look very good together. So yeah, I think these are the most perfect match that I have now. The next Twilly that I am going to show you guys is not a normal Twilly, but it is another kind of Twilly. And the reason why I bought it is because I did buy it with a certain bag in mind, because now I don't have any bags that will fit that kind of Twilly. But my hope is that I will, through this Twilly, motivate myself and remind myself on what the goal is. So now I am manifesting a bag that I really want. It is the first on my list, and the Twilly that I got was this candy doll Twilly in grey with some red and also some white and black. And if you know Twillys, you probably know what bag this Twilly fits, and it is a mini Kelly. And that's my biggest dream. I really want a mini Kelly, and through this I will manifest a mini Kelly in my collection. Hopefully I will get it, but I kind of don't have my hopes up yet for it, but I'm working towards it, and I hope that my dream will someday come true. I don't know if it is ever going to come true, but I really hope that. So yeah, that was the last Twilly that I have currently in my collection. There are a couple of Twillys in my collection, even though I say that I don't like Twillys on my bags, but I have bought my fair share of them. I have a surprise for you guys, because I have recently bought a new Twilly, and the reason why I bought this one is because I quite recently just scored a bag that I have not unboxed yet. I'm going to wait until Christmas before I unbox it, but I think we can unbox the Twilly now. So let's open it up. So here is my new Twilly. It is quite different from the others that I have from before, because you can see it has two sides. On this side it is very my colors, but on the other side it is very crazy. But it has that same pattern, so it isn't as crazy as this one, for example, because this one has a lot of things happening on it. This one has a pattern. So that's the only clue that you are going to get from me, is that this Twilly fits perfectly on my new bag, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what it is. It is one of my dream bags. When I went to Oslo, I didn't think I was going to say yes to it, because there were some specifics that I thought that I didn't like, but ended up liking very much. So I ended up getting a quota bag on a normal Thursday last week. I didn't think I was going to get a quota bag so soon, because I quite recently got this one. I got this one in August, but I didn't post the unbox video right away because I wanted to have that secret for myself for a certain time, because I didn't feel it was real. I promised I will not wait as long as last time with unboxing my new quota bag, but I think you guys will see it very soon. So be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, so you don't miss that special unboxing. And while we are talking about it, I can give you one more hint as well. It is something with that bag that you haven't expected from me, so just think about that. And if you have some guesses what it is, leave them in the comments. I'm so curious what you guys think it is, and the color, size, everything. Just leave them in the comments. I am so curious to hear that. And yeah, that was basically it for this video. A new Twilly unboxing. Now I can say that I have enough Twillys for a long time now. At least I hope so. So yeah, to the girl who don't like Twillys at all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. If you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.